Ready? Listen to the sequence of operations. Pause the screen and solve the puzzle. Hit play to see the solution.
Yeah. Start with the months we have in a year. Times them by 7, have no fear. Now add on 2 to what you've got. Give it your very best shot from that answer. Take away the number of sides the hexagon has. Okay, double the number, make it fun. Your math journey has just begun. Now add on half of 20, nice and neat. This mental maths is such a treat. Divided by 10 if you dare. We're getting so close now, I swear. Take away the days in a week, you're nearly there. One final challenge is waiting for you to share. Cube your answer, make it loud. You've solved it now, so stand up proud, Joe.